Put this on your belly button and watch the incredible results you can get. This is probably one of the popular methods most efficient when it comes to relieving many ailments. It is very simple and does not require any special effort. All you have to do is to put some cotton with 50% alcohol and 50% water and place it in your navel. This home treatment will help relieve pain and relax your body. This method is widely used in the treatment of muscle pain, cold or flu, and is a much better choice than conventional medications. The next time you catch a cold or flu, simply take some cotton soaked in alcohol and then put it on your navel. Make sure you use a bandage or simply wrap it with a cloth or plastic bag. Use what works best for you. An additional tip: we can apply a small variant to this same method to solve stomach pain or prevent dizziness. In these cases, perform the same process with cotton and alcohol, but before placing it, sprinkle a little salt on the cotton. It's very easy, right? Try this remedy and tell us how you went in the comments. It seems a lie that something so simple can work, but it does. Do it and you will see. This home remedy was already used by our grandmothers. However, with the passage of time, pharmaceutical drugs are taken for everything. The good thing about this home remedy is that it is 100% natural and has no side effects. Contrary to what happens with the intake of pharmaceutical drugs, which do have harmful effects on health. Warning: if stomach pain, dizziness, muscle aches, headaches, colds, flu, etc. persist, go to the doctor immediately.